On the occasion of International Museums Day 2021, I would like to wish my colleagues and friends and museum professionals in India and across the world a very happy International Museums Day. Now, this year's theme is very interesting. It is about the future of museums to reimagine and to recover. And the entire initiative is directed towards how communities can benefit from this process of reimagination of cultural institutions, of which museums is a central place. We at the Allahabad Museum have been thinking a lot, practicing a lot in this direction. The Allahabad Museum is a museum of national status under the Ministry of Culture, and it has a very rich collection of archaeological material, sculptures, as well as paintings and items related to the freedom struggle. So apart from the usual outreach programs that we are trying to hold, we've put a lot of thought, especially in this time of this terrible pandemic, that really what could be the role of the Allahabad Museum, and in fact the role of all museums, especially for the community. Now, friends, as a whole, heritage is something of an undervalued asset, I would call it. I don't think that we have plumbed the potentials of what we can do with tangible heritage especially, and museums come under that. As you know that thousands of tourists travel all over the world to look at monuments and to visit museums, which means that the curiosity for learning something about our history is very much alive in the common man. And I think that we have to do much more in terms of bringing exciting narratives, content, storytelling in many forms, public speaking or through our digital sort of platforms, to bring these exciting stories about the cultural heritage, archaeological material, paintings to the common people. And what would this do? One, definitely in a society, when you bring the best aspects of ancient art and history to the population, especially the younger people, not only do they have a sense of identity and a sense of their roots, but also they imbibe values of excellence, values of beauty, values of aspirational values to go ahead. So there is a direct correlation between outreach of heritage and creating character in a society. Secondly, we need to also think of heritage in terms of generating economic models, which means that there has to be a spreading out of the museum movement. One of the things that we are working on is a museum in every village, which means that in this area of the Middle Ganga Valley of Uttar Pradesh, as you would know in India, and which is something which we don't really bother about, that every village would have its own unique history, its own unique culture, and its own folklores and traditions. And what are we doing so much that if we make a museum in the panchayat office or the local primary school in 2 rooms, which would be where our curators go and curate with the school children and the village people some of these local histories, the unique identity of the village itself. So you would see that how much it would raise the pride and identity of the village, and as well as local monuments could be taken care of, and models for guiding and showing and some kind of engagement with these kind of smaller museums could be generated. Patrons could be involved. The wealthy people who are high net worth individuals who are associated with these communities, who would definitely come forward and donate money. So we have to think of many things. Another thing is that heritage professionals are well qualified. They can create heritage programs, heritage products, if I may say. One of them could be that insurance companies could use the services of heritage professionals and curators to value objects. So like that, whether it's gift shops or many other things, we have to broad base our thinking process, so that there is an element of transaction, and through that transaction there is a spread of the tangible heritage and its beauty and its values. So yes, we need to become more relevant, we need to become more engaging. So I completely support the theme of to rediscover our museums, to reimagine our museums. So again, wishing everybody International Museums Day 2021.